Hey, what's up, everyone? We're finally going to harvest our ginger. We've been waiting a really long time because when we looked up when to harvest, it said that the leaves would turn brown and fall over, just similar to the potatoes. But these, the plants on these ginger have been like really upright and it turned a little bit of yellow and dried, but it didn't fall over. So we were kind of waiting on it. But today we decided we're going to just see what we got. So right here, I'm digging up this first one, and it's really hard to jostle this loose. I'm trying to dig around it to loosen up the soil and trying to lift it up, but it doesn't come up. I've been trying to pull it out, but it wouldn't budge. So I needed a little help. So we dug around it some more, deeper, and trying not to poke the ginger, of course. So it finally got it loosened, and I'm gonna pull it out, but it's like embedded into the ground. I think the roots went right into the lava. And pulling this one out, it's big. It's all these little sections. It's a root, so you can expect it to be dirty. And yep, it smells like ginger. So that's like a little picture of what the first one looks like. It's all clumped together. So we're gonna have to dig for the other ones as well. It's not as easy as it appears. Maybe we left it in too long, so it rooted into the ground really far, so it's hard to dig out. So we got another one here, trying to wipe away all the dirt and little roots that are connected to it. So let me tell you that I'm not going to show you all the digging because we did a lot of digging to try to get these ginger out because they were rooted in the ground so deeply. So I got this one out, and that one also is all clumped together. And as you can see, the leaves are like still viable. I mean, they're standing straight up and they're just a little bit dried and yellow. Okay, here's another one. This is a nice looking one. Just gotta clean it off a little bit so you can see. Yeah, that's a nice size, nice shape. And again, we dug a lot, so I'm not gonna bore you with that, but we really dug up. I mean, it was so deeply rooted that we had a hard time. And so I'm pulling this one out, or trying to pull this one out. Got it. And this one also is all clumped together. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to pull them out earlier if we do grow them again. So I think yeah, I found a little one. This is like treasure hunting, just like for the potatoes. You kind of have to dig around and see what you can find. without damaging the product. Ooh, that's a nice one. You can see the bees flying around. They're probably wondering what I'm doing there and hoping that I don't take away their flowers, but I'm not. So here's one here. That's a nice one. Good size and shape. Looks like one you can get from the market. So this is the last one in there. It's being really stubborn, so I'm trying to dig around it as much as possible so I don't stab the ginger. But I can see the ginger, so I'm just trying to dig around it and lift it up. So pulling it out, got it. The last one. It's a pretty nice sized one. Just gotta clean it off. And after trimming off the leaves and stems, I gave the ginger a little bath, each one, just to try to take off the excess dirt in the nooks and crannies of the ginger. And then I gave them a last spray to rinse them off and went to get my trusty old basket. So we got a really nice haul. As you can see, there's some little ones, some bigger ones, but that's a lot. Thanks for joining us on our first ginger harvest. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe. And aloha.